Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am gonna talk about the top 5 best ceramic Christmas trees that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, please check the link in the description section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Relive Christmas Lighted Tabletop Ceramic Tree. Light your Christmas with this tabletop ceramic tree from Relive. It helps to create a beautiful glow due to ample lighting. It brings great delight in your home due to the beautiful finish and 50 multiple color bulbs. With 14 inches tall design and 7 inches base is stable to keep it safe always. Thus, this tree is great for use in various places. Unlike many trees that will require wiring, this has one C7 bulb which that delivers ample illumination. With UL certified power cord, the tree is safe to use without experiencing problems. The gloss finish ensures it remains beautiful for a long time without fading. Enhanced with a decorative star that improve the overall tree beauty. Moving on at number 4, we have the Best Choice Products Pre-Lit Ceramic Tabletop Christmas Tree. Best Choice Products (BCP) is a make of various things. One of the top products from this brand is this ceramic tabletop Christmas tree. The premium crafted tree come with hand painting to bring an exceptional look to your house. Besides the decoration, the brilliant tree lighting. It comes with 50 bulbs to make the festive season remarkable and unforgettable. Unlike other trees, this one has decorative 7-pointed star. Unlike the other battery-powered trees, this one is AC plugged and come with feet-long cord. On the other hand, the compact size enables it to fit in many places like classrooms, homes, and companies. With a strong base, it is stable and strong to support the tree without compromising the performance. At number 3, we have the Hawthorne Village Thomas Kincaid Animated Tabletop Christmas Tree with Train. It is one of the magnificent Christmas trees that make festive season look extra special. This Thomas Kincaid Wonderland Express with trains is the absolute pick for people who love to make their festive seasons excellent. With its highly crafted design, the tree is animated and offers 4 levels of rotations. This enables people to rotate it smoothly to create a spectacular look. To give this tree a unique look, it is hand-painted to perfect its realistic look. Complementing the sleek colors are 12 illumination bulbs that ensure this tree is superbly lit. Besides, the imposed glitter touch snow offers a lively appearance while the sculptured village, characters and train inspires everyone on the room. At number 2, we have the Bradford Exchange The Wonderful World of Disney Tabletop Ceramic Tree. With Bradford Exchange Wonderful World of Disney Ceramic Tree, Christmas will never be boring again. This one goes beyond the normal ceramic trees that only have simple feature. However, with this, it comes with numerous decorations and arts to improve general appearance. Notably, the tree comes the integrated Hawthorne Village that eye-catching especially when the light is switched on. In addition, the more than 10 sculptured Disney characters ensure the tree is thrilling. Apart from the characters, this tree also 4 levels rotation. It allows animation ability to keep everyone entertained by this tree. Equipped with 20 brilliant LED lights, it glows while maintaining the beauty and decoration. Also, it keeps room lively through the enhanced music. And finally at number 1, we have the Bradford Exchange Thomas Kincaid Crystal Tabletop Christmas Tree. Thomas Kincaid Crystal is one of the unique and premium created to make your festive special. Unlike most of the common ceramic trees, this one has fine crafting that makes it outstanding. It comes with light-changing function as well as the music playing to soothe and keep your room in a festive mood. The genuine sparkling crystals are superb in making the house look impressive. Besides the sparkling crystals, the tree is ingeniously painted to keep every moment thrilling. The lighting LED lights are created and hidden with sparkling crystals that boost the ability this tree to glow. Apart from the glowing feature, the eye-catching crafting village that light up in different colors when the tree is operating. Thanks for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, subscribe.